Hey guys, welcome back to Unbox Anish. This week I came up with a new video. The video is regarding tables. So everyone is working from home. A compatible, foldable and portable table we need, right? This table is that. So this table I bought it from Amazon, which is portable. So this is from JOISCOPE. Let's quickly, without further ado, unbox the table, install it and see how it looks. So this is the top, which is made of MDF or engineered wood. Okay, so maybe you can expect this kind of small glitches, which is fine for me. But if you find this, maybe you can return. But for me, it's okay, not bad. And below, we have scope for extending this. So remaining things we have to hook into this and adjust. We have this metal body to adjust the height. So maximum of 76 centimeters we can adjust the height. We have different color options also. You can choose that one. This can come in different colors like black also. So you can choose that. So we have these metal rods which will come in between. So like this it will go on the both sides. And so these things will go inside this one. So total we have got 6 screws, 4 this one and small screws are 2. So how these are useful is like, for example, if you see this metal rod, so this screw which will go small ones will go into this one like this, and big ones will go, once we adjust this one, we have this drive, just we need to keep like this and we need to insert. So first let's keep these things inside this. For example, this is the base, so let's keep this inside. Let keep this aside, and the small one right here. So through this which we can adjust the height. For example, this is the least height. So least height, how much it can be is this one. For example, if you see this one, least height is around 47 centimeters. So if you want that much, you can keep, or else little bit height we can move and insert this one, the small one. Which we can fix tightly. So this is sturdy. So likewise, so or else if you don't want this one, this is medium height, you want complete height means, so we can rotate this back in anti-clockwise. What is there no? Here if you see no, this lever is there, we can insert some screw inside this. So let's keep it here, and this finally this is how it looks. So we have wheels also. So for wheels to attach, we have lever are there. So let's cut this one. So we have fixed these 4 wheels, right? So one advantage with this product is like, because since wheels are there, so it is easily movable, as well as, for example, if you want to fix to a specific location, then we have this extra things so that this will not be moved. So on both sides we have this one, so you just press this one, it will come down and it will stop this table. Let's quickly rotate this table. So this is how it looks, and as well as with respect to dimensions. So if you see here, this is one big size laptop which we can place, and we have enough space to move your mouse. That's it, guys. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to Unbox and Ish. Thanks for watching. Peace.